up, you guys? It's Ben and welcome to my channel where we talk about everything there is relating to selling on Amazon. So ever since I started this channel, the main reason was to provide you as much help as possible. What I've realized is that a lot of the American YouTubers are not actually providing much value for people that actually want to sell on Amazon day in, day out. Okay, there are so many difficulties and obstacles you have to overcome that are simply not covered on YouTube properly, in my opinion, which was the reason for the YouTube channel. Now, as a YouTube channel grew, I realized that a lot of you do want some one-to-one mentorship, which is why I started off the mentorship program that I now currently have been running over the last 6 months. A lot of people with higher budget actually did get my mentorship and really appreciated the help that I was providing. However, I now want to provide help with pretty much to anybody that is looking to sell on Amazon, even on a very, very low budget. And the way to do this is I'm not going to set up a forum. This is something that I've looked at and considered for quite some time. However, having been to some of these forums, I realized that there are far more questions than answers. Experienced sellers do not bother going onto these forums because they are busy at running their own business. And I want to make sure that the answer that you guys get is straight away there and then, so you can continue persevering and moving forward. So what I've decided to do is once a month Zoom calls. Once a month Zoom calls with me where you can ask me as many questions as you like, particularly in your case, that I will cover on video there and then straight away. It's not going to be like a forum where you have to wait for an answer. I will give you the answer there and then if I can. If I can't, I will definitely come back to you with the answer. But the idea behind this is to provide help and value to anybody. And I don't care if you have a £500 budget, a £1,000 budget, or even a £5,000 budget. I want to provide as much value to you guys as possible. Now, the way to join this community that I want to build up is by going onto my channel and by clicking join. Okay, once you've clicked join and you've paid the monthly fee of £13, you will be basically one of my members of the Zoom calls. And the way to get the invitation link on the Zoom calls is by going onto community tab on my channel, and what you'll see is there is here is where I will be showing everybody the link to the Zoom call. Now this is invite only link effectively, and the way to join this is by clicking on join and paying the monthly fee, and afterwards 1 week before the call I will be sending the link to every single person that has joined in, where you can click on the day and you will have me live answering all of these questions. Now the calls are going to take place on the 1st of every single month, so the first call is going to now take place on the 1st of March. So for anybody that's interested, please don't forget to click join and make sure to check the community tab 1 week prior, so you can mark the date on your calendar, you can mark the time, and you get some questions prepared that I can answer to you straight away on video. That's pretty much it for today's video. I didn't really have anything else to say. There's going to be a lot more content to come in the next couple of weeks about a lot of new stuff that I just found out, how to optimize your business and how to run it more and more smoothly. So I'm really looking forward for that. I also have a very interesting podcast coming in tomorrow, so please tune in for that. Check out the links down below for all of the Helium 10 affiliate links and mentorships and various other things. Subscribe to the channel. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.